Hello everyone, I am Abdullah Manqoush. I am Eng.Abduallah Manqoush. Exactly, today we're talking about uploading file using Lighthouse. Exactly, if you're using the Laravel and you want building a project using GraphQL, exactly you will use the Lighthouse because it's a famous extension and is a new extension. And exactly, not Laravel not have multi extension for integrated GraphQL. So Lighthouse is a great way, but exactly when I use it, I have a problem in upload a file, and when I search, I can found clear explain or easy explain for how can you upload the file. So today I will try to explain exactly. I don't focus about the particularly or the part of the particular part. I focus about the explaining as a theory or some as that. So we exactly talking not do anything, but I show examples how I solve this problem for me. Exactly not a problem, but exactly I'm not understand the documentation very well, so we can discuss this issue and solve it. So this is a documentation in Lighthouse. How can you upload a files? Maybe easy not have maybe a clear full explaining in silent side, because he given one example using the color. Maybe when you want to use it in maybe in GraphQL, you can confuse or using you if you want to use it as a post request. Exactly, we will have a confuse for users. So maybe all the thing is easy, but exactly you needed understand one part. The first part, your file sending as a binary file using the post request. So maybe if you go to the postman, for example, this is my postman and this is my link of endpoint of the GraphQL. So maybe if I try choose any for example maybe any image or any image, exactly I use it when I try to send maybe exactly this is a send and this upload the file. This is on the postman and exactly this a bat because depended on my mutation. And so what I wanna explain, or what the idea I want to catch it, maybe if try to using the postman and it's work with you as well. Exactly, you can link click to the code here and you can choose what you want. Exactly, if you're using Axios, for example, as a JavaScript, maybe is maybe all the thing is easy. All the thing be easy as example. This meaning this example can use it. For example, what we want showing something is a file. Maybe a file. This is read it from the I said that I saw that maybe you needed a binary code of the file. So we will go for more about that now. maybe you understand those things exactly. This what documentation say about. We needed both a three variable. First variable and is operations. You have a query and mutation. Mutation you maybe declare it in the schema files, and maybe it's easy. So when looking at is declare a variable that we'll use here in mutation and in the variable maybe. So but when looking for the first parameters, the first parameter says the upload maybe this a classes. When you go to the documentation and we'll look at the uploading files exactly, you can look at the secular upload maybe come from the classes upload and maybe is built in from the Lighthouse. So when if I go to my application, so here is uploaded and I declare it. So after that I declare any mutation. This is a mutation for upload, and this is another mutation for upload. So if you focus about the mutation exactly, is building easy. Maybe we have the file and the type of the file. This is a parameter or argument file named, and the uploaded is a type of file. Uploaded is dependent of the classes we declare above. So this is a role for exactly, you know, I don't explain depth because this is issue. If you found it exactly, you understand more thing, and so I will explain what I think must be explained. So roles maybe you know, this is for validation, and I don't care about it, and don't explain it. So is a parameter. Kind and role is a parameter. I use it in mutation. When I go to the mutation exactly, I have the if condition for the for the authentication. This may for authentication, and you know, if my authentication depended on the synctum, so I use it for mutation if the user is login or no. This is a file will become as a binary, and exactly I use a function in Laravel is store. So I put the direction of a file maybe, and this is a file. I complete the file with the function named story, and will exactly story is the file. Maybe this is easy, not needed anything, and use it time and time for generated a name, and using a hash name for give a unique name for the image, because I don't need someone if we upload multi or upload a files has a name in my store, and this will be a problem because to files in same name exactly, I need to change it depended on the time. Maybe hash name is not important, and exactly I think this maybe I don't benefit anything from it, so no problem. This is exactly in the final is the name. So this is what happening is store the file when he's come from the post request. So when I finish send, I check if it sends well, and so I return the name I will created and the successful true, or this is a parameter in the not parameter, this is a message after send. That's what happens. So if go to the postman is the same what I doing. So if I look into here, this is a query maybe, and this is a mutation. I declare I use a mutation, and this is a parameters, and this is my mutation I make it, and this is a file because the name if first parameters was file, and this is a file maybe is a parameter. What's that? This a file will replace with the zero parameter. What is zero parameter will be the file and will change to the binary. It is automatic change. Exactly, zero will replace in the file. So if you look in here, you can link zero with variables file exactly here. So variables, we have file, and exactly now null, and we have kind. I name it, I use it in the for make some part for storage in some folders and in different folders. So these rules I depended on where store my file is exactly this. I use it for me exactly. You can you exactly have what you want. So I focus about the variable, maybe variable dot file. This is a great what we needed talking about. Zero connect with the variable dot file. So and the variable here is a file, and it has a file is null. In the future or in the request, we'll change the file with the variable dot file. So this is what happens. So maybe if you post if using postman and all the thing is great, and all the mutation is work, you can click to the maybe and choose what you want, maybe for PHP, for JavaScript, for more things. So as me, I using JavaScript and using vue.js. So exactly I using fetch, and it's exactly is will be easy for me. So I will look in what I do in my project maybe. So if I go to my functions and I make a function depending in what we talking about. So maybe this is my function, I name it is app file to server. I use the nuxt.js, and nuxt.js depended on the vue.js. So this is my function. If I look at it, this I use a format data because I needed to declare it, because I use a data that hold the file. So format data append, one parameter is a query, and this query what we have maybe is exactly what we have, and maybe it did slash after this for because maybe to not have any problem in the partition, because JavaScript can't know if he a string or no, because this double quotation maybe I think uses as the declare string. So this is a problem. I don't explain it why you do that. So but exactly here I maybe using a query and mutation. This is what we're doing in Postman. So put it in the variable operation, and exactly we declare another variable is a map and connected map with the variable what we explained before. And here we maybe declare the file. So 0 will hold the file, and the file exactly will be come from the input and depend and use it here as a parameter for from the function. So upload file has a function, has a parameter. I'm sorry, this function upload file has a parameter, and parameter exactly maybe will be sound. This is a file. This is a file in a binary that input will change. So, and using the header, and I have authorization. I'm sorry, I have authorization, and I have the code for authorization. This is a header, and this is a body. It's a format data. What we doing exactly here? This will replace with body maybe. So, and use a fetch for sound. That this exactly will replace with the link of GraphQL, and this is a request option is exactly these will replace here, and then is a promise function. If as all the thing is a good, is send to me is a good, or giving me the link of the file is upload. If has an error and so on, this is a problem. And return what return the response. Maybe that's what see happen. So if I go to the another page, I use it my function. So this is my function. Maybe I kill it here. So what's do maybe the file, and this another parameters I use it. So don't focus about it, but exactly this is important part. I use it my event trajet files. This is for build in vue.js function, giving my files exactly as what we happen. This is a function what we someone if upload choose a file. So I explained that if you go to the input. So this is input, but exactly I use the vue.js. Don't focus about that, because it's the same vue.js and vue.js. Vue.js I use it for user interface exactly as a multi-components. This helping me for make my application is easy and has a great view. So don't focus about that, but exactly use input in the vue.js or so. When has a change, this exactly maybe this a function built in when the user make any change for the input. So when he choose a file, exactly this function will run. This function this function will run, and when he's run, maybe the function upload to file is will be send the data. So maybe these catch the file. This exactly catch the file. So this all the thing. Maybe this is all the thing. So if you go to the not our application on the maybe for example I think is so maybe it's the same for we look on is vue.js using the input. So when change exactly the on change will work, and maybe on Cheng when he is work. Maybe the event read file would catch the file. So don't care about that. But exactly I will explain is the same, because I don't use input. I using the vue.js component. No problem. This all thing what I explain, maybe is this the first my explain, or this my the first my video in my channel. And I think exactly I have a multi problem in the speaking and in the my language and in the word I use it. Maybe I think if you have any problem or needed, if you needed exactly explain in the depth, or using a particular code, or using maybe build small micro services, do that. I think you can comment in comments, and I will do that. So if you have any notes about my explaining, and you okay, you can giving me your opinion, because this is my first video for me. Thank you for watching, and